Georgia, Georgia, the whole day through. Just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia on my mind. I said, Georgia, Georgia.
And toward that end, we recently had the announcement from SK, very major company from Korea, that they're building a very big electric battery plant in the US. That's a terrific development for us because that starts the supply chain.
SK's Innovation's $1.67 billion investment will create a ripple effect for local businesses. With more than 2,000 jobs, this investment will create lasting opportunities for Jackson counties and, as Governor Deal mentioned, the surrounding areas in northeast Georgia.
SK has proven to be very tough, but very fair. They know what they need, and they've been very clear about it, and we've been able to reach that conclusion.
The better this company does and the more success they have, the more they're able to partner with us and give back. So I think I'm looking for a partnership on making the quality of life for our citizens better.
When we sat down in the meeting room, Mr. Yoon, the president of the company, said, we're going to make the decision before you leave the meeting room. And so you can imagine how intense it was during the meeting, but at the same time, I had a feeling that we will have a good chance to win the project.
I think one expectation that the local community is going to have for SK is to be committed to the community and the success of the community. All across Jackson County, education is a top priority, and this is something that SK has demonstrated that they're very concerned about and they want to be a part of. And so I think the expectation that we have
of SK, the culture of South Korea, the family orientation that they've shown to us so far, that will show to everyone in attendance that we're here to work together, and we will be working together for the next 100 years.
Hello.
Do you know what kind of company SK Battery America is?
No.
Do you know what kind of company SK Innovations is?
No.
Do you know what an electric vehicle is?
Yes.
SK Innovations is a company that makes batteries for those cars.
Wow, SK Innovation is a very important company. They're the ones who are going to make cars move.
SK Innovations is in South Korea, but they're building a plant right here in Commerce.
Wow, then when will the plant be made?
They're going to start construction on March. Why don't we go check it out?